Welcome to Tesla's Gigafactory, one of the largest and most advanced automotive manufacturing facilities on the planet. This is where the future of transportation comes to life.
Hi, I'm Alex, and I work here at Tesla. Today, I'm going to take you on an incredible journey through our factory floor, showing you exactly how we build the world's most advanced electric vehicles, from raw materials to the finished car you see on the road. If you love technology, innovation, and seeing how things are made, don't forget to subscribe because this is going to be amazing.
Behind me, you're looking at over 2 million square feet of cutting-edge manufacturing. Thousands of robots and skilled workers collaborate every single day to produce vehicles that are not just cars, they're computers on wheels.
Every Tesla begins its journey here at our receiving dock. Large trucks arrive daily, delivering massive rolls of aircraft-grade aluminum. This isn't ordinary metal. It's lightweight, incredibly strong, and perfect for building efficient electric vehicles.
Each of these coils weighs several tons. They're carefully stored and tracked using advanced digital systems. Nothing enters our production line without passing strict quality inspections. Our team checks every shipment for purity, thickness, and structural integrity. We're talking about precision measured in microns because even the smallest imperfection could affect the final vehicle. Once approved, these aluminum sheets are transported to the stamping facility. This is where flat metal transforms into the body panels that will form the structure of your Tesla.
This is one of our massive stamping presses. It can exert thousands of tons of pressure in a single stroke. The size and power of these machines are truly incredible.
Watch as robotic arms position a flat aluminum sheet with absolute precision. Placement has to be perfect. We're talking millimeter accuracy. And stamp! In just seconds, flat aluminum is transformed into a perfectly curved door panel. The force is so intense, you can actually see sparks fly as the metal takes its new shape. Each stamped part is immediately inspected. Every curve, every edge, every surface must meet our exact specifications. These panels will become the doors, hoods, fenders, and trunk lids of your Tesla.
Finished panels are organized by type and batch number. From here, they'll move to the body shop, where the real magic happens. Welcome to the body shop, the heart of our automated production line. What you're seeing are dozens of orange KUKA robotic arms. These aren't just robots, they're precision artists.
Each robot performs hundreds of welds with perfect accuracy. The blue arc you see is aluminum being fused at temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot, it's fast, and it's absolutely mesmerizing. Here's something remarkable. A single Tesla body requires over 5,000 individual welds, and every single one is performed by robots working in perfect synchronization. The precision is something human hands simply couldn't achieve at this speed and consistency. But robots don't work alone. Our skilled technicians monitor every step, ensuring quality standards are maintained. If anything goes wrong, production stops immediately until it's corrected.
And here's the result: a complete vehicle body structure, also called a unibody. It's incredibly strong, yet surprisingly lightweight. This design is key to Tesla's safety ratings and driving range. Next stop, the paint shop. This is one of the most controlled environments in the entire factory. Temperature, humidity, even air pressure. Everything is precisely regulated. First, robots apply multiple layers of primer. This protects the aluminum and prepares the surface for color. Notice how the robots move. It's almost like they're dancing around the vehicle.
The body rotates automatically, ensuring every angle, every curve, every hidden surface gets perfect coverage. Nothing is missed.
Now comes the color. Whether you choose pearl white, midnight silver, deep blue metallic, or red multicoat, each one is applied in multiple thin layers. This creates that signature Tesla depth and shine. After painting, bodies move through high-temperature ovens where the paint is cured and hardened. This process ensures your Tesla's finish will last for years, resisting chips, fading, and weathering.
Finally, every painted body undergoes intense scrutiny. Inspectors use special lighting to detect even the tiniest imperfection. If it doesn't meet our standards, it gets refinished. No compromises. Now, let's talk about what makes Tesla truly revolutionary: the battery pack. This is the largest and most important component of any electric vehicle. Each Tesla battery pack contains over 4,000 individual cylindrical cells. These are called 2170 cells. They're 21 millimeters in diameter and 70 millimeters tall. Small, but incredibly powerful. Robots place these cells into modules with incredible speed and accuracy. The precision here is critical. These cells must be perfectly aligned and connected to work as one unified system.
But raw power isn't enough. We also integrate an advanced cooling system. Liquid coolant flows through tubes running between every cell, keeping temperatures optimal during charging and driving.
The completed battery pack is then carefully lowered into the vehicle chassis. It becomes a structural part of the car, sitting low between the axles. This placement gives Tesla vehicles their famous low center of gravity and incredible handling. Every battery pack also includes a sophisticated battery management system, essentially a computer that monitors and balances every cell thousands of times per second. This is why Tesla batteries last so long and perform so reliably.
Let's talk about power delivery. Unlike traditional cars with complex engines, transmissions, and exhaust systems, Tesla uses beautifully simple electric motors.
The heart of each motor is copper wire, wound thousands of times around a stator core. This creates powerful electromagnetic fields when electricity flows through it. The rotor, the spinning part of the motor, contains permanent magnets. When the stator's electromagnetic field activates, these magnets are pushed and pulled, creating rotation. It's simple physics, but the engineering precision is extraordinary. Every motor is tested before installation. They spin at over 15,000 RPM. That's more than twice the speed of traditional engines. Yet they're quieter, more efficient, and require virtually no maintenance. Depending on the model, we install either one or two motors. Dual motor vehicles have one motor powering the front wheels and another powering the rear, giving you all-wheel drive with instant, independent control of all four wheels.
Now we enter final assembly, where everything comes together. This is organized chaos at its finest. Over 100 different stations, each performing specific tasks with clockwork precision. One of the most iconic features of any Tesla is the massive center touchscreen. Watch as robots carefully position and install this 17-inch display. It's the command center for virtually everything in the vehicle. Behind the scenes, miles of wiring connect every system, from the cameras and sensors to the motors and battery. Every connection must be perfect. A single loose wire could affect performance or safety. Premium vegan leather seats are installed next. Our team works quickly but carefully. These seats are designed for thousands of hours of comfort. The windshield installation is particularly impressive. Robotic suction arms lift the massive piece of glass, position it with millimeter accuracy, and set it into place. The adhesive used creates a bond stronger than the glass itself. 4 workers approach simultaneously, one at each wheel. In perfect coordination, they install and torque all the wheels at once. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications using calibrated pneumatic tools. Here's something unique about Tesla. We build computers that happen to have wheels. So the next critical step is software installation and testing. Watch as the vehicle comes to life for the first time. The touchscreen powers on, running the latest version of Tesla's operating system. Just like your smartphone, your Tesla receives over-the-air updates that can add new features and improve performance even after you've owned it for years. Technicians run comprehensive diagnostics on every system: battery management, motor control, autopilot sensors, climate systems, entertainment. Everything must communicate perfectly. Even the lights are tested individually. Headlights, tail lights, turn signals, interior ambient lighting, each one must work flawlessly. Before any Tesla leaves this factory, it must pass rigorous testing. First up, the rolling road test. The vehicle is driven at high speeds, while computers measure acceleration, braking, power delivery, and efficiency. Even our standard range models can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. Performance models under 3 seconds. That's supercar territory in a family vehicle. Braking is equally important. Tesla uses regenerative braking, which actually captures energy and returns it to the battery while slowing you down. It's efficient and extends the life of your brake pads significantly. Next, the water test. High-pressure nozzles simulate the worst rainstorms imaginable. Inspectors check every seal, every gap, every potential entry point for water. Teslas have zero tolerance for leaks.
Wheel alignment might sound simple, but at Tesla, it's an exact science. Laser systems measure angles to a fraction of a degree. Perfect alignment means better handling, longer tire life, and maximum efficiency. Then comes something truly futuristic: autopilot camera calibration. 8 external cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and forward-facing radar all need to be precisely aligned and calibrated. This is the foundation of Tesla's advanced driver assistance features. Each camera's field of view is tested against target patterns. The vehicle's computer learns to see the world around it, detecting lanes, reading traffic signs, identifying other vehicles and pedestrians. We're almost there. Every Tesla now undergoes final quality inspection, one of the most thorough in the industry. Trained inspectors examine every detail. Special lighting reveals any imperfections in the paint. If anything is found, even a minor flaw, it's corrected immediately. Inside, inspectors test every button, every screen function, every adjustment. Windows, mirrors, seats, climate control, audio system, everything must work perfectly. Only when every checkpoint is complete does the vehicle receive digital approval. This Tesla is now ready for its new owner. The final touch: professional detailing. Every surface is cleaned, polished, and perfected. This is the moment the vehicle transforms from a factory product to a premium automobile. Protective films are carefully removed from screens and trim. It's satisfying to watch, like unwrapping a brand new gift.
Finished vehicles are driven to our delivery staging area. On any given day, thousands of completed Teslas wait here, ready to begin their journey to customers around the world. Car carriers arrive throughout the day, carefully loading vehicles for delivery. Some will go to nearby delivery centers. Others will travel thousands of miles to reach their new owners. And that's the complete journey, from rolls of aluminum to a fully functional, software-defined electric vehicle. Every Tesla you see on the road went through this exact process.
Thousands of precise steps, hundreds of quality checks, cutting-edge robotics working alongside skilled craftspeople, all of it coordinated with incredible efficiency. This isn't just manufacturing, it's a glimpse into the future of how products are made: sustainable, efficient, advanced. This is the Tesla way. From this factory floor to open roads around the world, every Tesla carries with it the innovation, precision, and passion of everyone who built it.
Thanks for joining me on this incredible tour. If you enjoyed seeing how Tesla vehicles are made, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we have more factory tours, technology deep dives, and behind-the-scenes content coming soon. See you in the next video.